Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christy, and yes, we can. We're gonna do a classic today, a classic line dance called the Cowboy Hustle. And what's fun about these steps is they're adaptable to so many different country songs that it's really fun to know these steps. And I've seen this dance to, oh my gosh, many different songs. So let's learn the steps first, and then we'll try it with some music. Are you ready? It's 32 counts, 4 walls, classic line dance. So we start with 4 toe fans, right, left, or better, sorry, out, in. So 4 of those, out, in, 2 heels, 2 toes, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try it. From the top, first 8. Starting with our toes. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, in, heel, toe, toe. Good. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, second 8. It's just a heel and a toe and a heel and a toe. So the first 4 counts are, and it's all on the right foot, heel, toe. Then we do step on the right, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch. And a lot of times they like to clap on that one. Step, clap, step, touch, step, clap, step, touch. So let's put the first 2 8s together with the 4 toes, double heel, double toe, single heel, single toe, single heel, single toe, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch. Here we go. Let's put those 2 8s together from the top with our classic line dance, Cowboy Hustle. 5, 6, 7, 8 with words. Toe, 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 toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, toe, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I did it wrong. With counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. One more time with counts from the top. Right toe starts with the fans. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Then we do another step, kick, step, touch. And that starts the third 8 count. So one finishes the last 8 and the next one starts the first 8. So we do another kick, step, touch. Step, kick, step, touch. Then we do a grapevine to the right. And that finishes the third 8. So our third 8 is step, kick, step, touch, grapevine to the right. Let's try that from the top, the third 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So let's put the first 3 8s together with words and then with counts. Here we go. From the top with the fans. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fan, 2, 3, 4. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Heel, toe, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch, grapevine to the right. Awesome. Okay, with counts and then we'll move on. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So my brain remembers if I kick on 6 and 2, I'm on count. Okay, one more time from this side, if that helps. First 3 eighths from the top with the fans. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So it's 32 counts, 4 walls. We start here, and we want to start repeating all the steps on that wall. So our last 8 is a grapevine to the left with a scuff that turns us to the 9 o'clock wall. So we grapevine going left, 5, 6, 7, 8 with a scuff. 1, 2, 3, scuff, step, touch diagonally forward, step, touch diagonally back, and you're ready to start again. So our last 8 counts, we just finished a grapevine to the right. We do a grapevine to the left with a scuff so we can turn and do a step diagonal touch and a step back diagonal touch. Starting with our left foot, the last 8. The fourth 8. So grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine to the left, scuff, step, touch, step, touch. The last one you can do a stomp so that you're ready to fan again. Let's try it with a stomp this time. You can do a stomp or a touch. Just be ready to fan the right toe after. Okay, we're going to do our last 8 with a grapevine to the left with a scuff. Step, touch, step, touch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine to the left. Scuff, step, touch, step, stomp. With counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we start again. Okay. Let's do this wall and keep going and do that wall. So from the top with words and then with counts, 2 walls. Starting with our right toe fanning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, toe, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left, scuff, step, touch, step, stomp, fan, 2, 3, 4, heel, toe, heel, toe, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, scuff, step, touch, step, stomp, fan. Good. Now with counts. Here we go. From the top with our classic Cowboy Hustle. Right foot ready. 5, 6, 7, 8 with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. That's the Cowboy Hustle. Let's do it all the way around, and then I know you're ready. Here we go. With words and with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fan, 2, 3, 4. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch. Grapevine to the right. grapevine to the left, scuff, step, touch, step, stomp, fan, 2, 3, 4, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, scuff, step, touch, step, stomp, fan, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. That Cowboy Hustle. Enjoy it. It's on YouTube, so you can stop it, start it, rewind. Give me any comments. I'd love to know what you think and any dances you would love to learn. Like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.